Hello guys and welcome to TJstech. Today I'm going to show you all of the camera modes on the OnePlus 6. With an impressive rear dual camera setup, the OnePlus 6 really can take some beautiful shots. It has all the important camera modes such as portrait mode on both the front and rear, time-lapse for those awesome cinematic overtime videos, pro mode for the professionals, and slow motion recording at 480 frames per second or 240 frames per second. It also has panorama for your wide scenery shots. On the selfie camera, there is a hidden beauty mode for all you Instagram lovers out there. And speaking of Instagram, go follow me, it's new. For video, you can shoot in 4K or 1080p at 60 frames per second, or 1080p in 240 frames per second, or 720p in 480 frames per second. So there's a lot of choice to get the right quality that you need. This is the OnePlus 6 that I've been using for a few months now. So here are a few examples of what kind of quality that you can expect from this device.
Recording in 4K at 60 frames per second, and then you got the double zoom there of our nice friend the duck, or goose, whatever he is. Is it a duck? Goose?
I hope you enjoyed those examples. If you're looking for a new flagship device at a cheaper price, then seriously, this is the one to buy. Thanks for watching TJstech, and I'll see you in the next one.